Alright, so I have another layout. So I'm using basil cards, limeade basil cardstock. Leaf pattern is Too Lazy Here and Now. Instead of just throwing that piece away, I decided to cut the corners because you can use that on the page, which I haven't yet. It's Monday, my first day off, and I got a headache. I'll put this away because I need to break up my scrapbook room, clear everything on my scrapbook room, rearrange it so I can use my countertops, because there's a lot of corners in this room. So that glitter photo mat is going to be American Colors. And that blue layer is Too Lazy Here and Now as well. It's the reverse side of the leaf pattern. This is my friend from elementary school and her daughter, who's now Thru. I stole these off of her Facebook to scrapbook them. And then I'm going to send them to her. She's in Minneapolis, or in Minnesota, near that way. So Alexa's family's coming from Miami. Oh, his brother, dad, and his brother's friend. So I'm going to be doing some Thanksgiving cooking and baking. So my chipboard is Simple Stories Kate Nash, and I'm using that like a gold tickets. Those are a Project Life from, oh my gosh, kit from so long ago I don't even remember. But the die cuts are Bring On the Sunshine exclusive die cuts, and the circle stamps are Hip Kit Club's Bring On the Sunshine. They're exclusive stamps. So I do some stamping on here. So Sabrina. She was wanting attention. And on this one I do a really long title. Because I'm not wanting to stay on the glitter paper. And I also, those clips and those enamel, like that heart circle and stuff, some of those are from past Freckles Long kits. I still have some of those, which I want to resubscribe to. I'm going to do that. I decided to do that. I'll subscribe so I get the first kit, January kit in 2021. Her deal is want attention, and then she's off. Oh, speaking of Sabrina and attention, here we go. It's nice that it's 62, so I got the window open. I decided to stamp another circle, so that way I have stamps in a couple different clusters, and I did, and that enamel heart circle embellishment just didn't seem to fit right by itself. And here's the die cuts from Hip Kit Club. Trying to find what else I can use. Those cups I got from, I happened to be at the pet section, I think. And it's actually a dish for hamsters. Or guinea pigs or any small animal. some phrase stickers done, and that's Maybe Homes, Sweet Story, I believe. And now for the title. So I have a remember tag stamp that I did that is Hipkit Club's Homemade Memories exclusive stamps from June, and those epoxy circles are March 2017 Fricklethon. The camera clip, enamel heart, love, arrow, sticker. I retorted those. Those are all from my stash left over from bits from kits. But anyway, so for my title, over is Hipkit Club's exclusive alphabet stickers. The and is Pinkfish Studio, just a little lovely puppy alphabet stickers. Thru is exclusive alphabet stickers from Hipkit Club. River is Pinkfish Studio, Joyful Day. And Woods is American Crafts Hate Stickers from July kit, which is the one I'm doing right now. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.